Athens isn't just a stopover before the islands. That's like calling espresso just brown water. Wrong. This city is chaotic, ancient, modern, exhausting, inspiring, and absolutely essential. Here's what's coming. A rooftop bar where the Acropolis looks unreal, like CGI. A central market that'll slap your senses awake. And a seaside escape just 40 minutes from downtown. Stick around, because the biggest surprise about Athens isn't what you think. Step out of the Monastiraki metro, and it's history overload. Roman ruins on one side, street vendors and sneaker shops on the other, and the Acropolis hovering above like a watchful parent. The Acropolis? Non-negotiable. Go at golden hour, not noon, unless you want to roast with 3,000 strangers. And don't rush, details matter. Stray cats sunbathing like gods, centuries-old graffiti scratched into marble, Athenians climbing the hill for their daily walk. But the real Athens isn't up on the hill, it's in the streets just below. Plaka looks like a postcard. Cobbled streets, pastel walls, bougainvillea everywhere. Charming, but you'll pay tourist prices for a beer. Slide into Psyrri, just a few blocks away. Here you get tavernas with paper tablecloths, rembetico music drifting from tiny bars, and street art exploding across walls. Quick detour. Grab a koulouri, sesame bread ring, from a cart. It costs about 50 cents and keeps you fueled until midnight. But food in Athens doesn't stop with snacks. The locals' favorite dish is still ahead. Welcome to Varvakios Market, Athens' beating stomach. Here, fishmongers shout prices like auctioneers, spice stalls perfume the air, and butchers line lamb heads in neat rows. It's raw, loud, and unforgettable. Hungry? Ask a vendor where to eat. They'll point you to a no-frills spot serving grilled meats or fried sardines. And don't miss loukoumades, golden dough balls dripping with honey and cinnamon. They'll ruin donuts back home for you. Think Athens is landlocked chaos? Wait until you see its Riviera. Athens isn't just ruins, it's a creative explosion. Check Exarchia, the alternative neighborhood. Massive murals, protest posters, record stores, and cafes buzzing until 3 a.m. For futuristic Athens, go south to the Stavros Niarchos Foundation Cultural Center. Free concerts, rooftop views, and a park where locals picnic, jog, and chase sunsets. And yes, that rooftop bar I teased, it's A for Athens in Monastiraki. Order a drink and watch the Acropolis light up. Unreal. Surprise! You don't need a ferry to swim. The Athens Riviera stretches south from Piraeus to Cape Sounion. Take the tram to Glyfada or Alamos. Sandy beaches right by the city. For something wilder, hop a bus or taxi 20 minutes further to Vouliagmeni Lake. Warm, mineral-rich waters, locals swear help everything from sore muscles to bad moods. Further still, at Cape Sounion, the Temple of Poseidon crowns the cliffs. Sunset here? Goosebumps. And yes, Byron is carved into the marble, widely believed to be Lord Byron himself. But the fiercest battle in Athens isn't on ancient ruins. It's on the dinner plate. Dinner in Athens rarely starts before 9 or 10 p.m., and when it does, locals divide into two camps. Souvlaki, skewered grilled meat. Simple, eaten with bread. Gyros, meat shaved from a spit, wrapped in pita with tzatziki, tomato, onions, and fries stuffed inside. The debate never ends. But the truth? You need both. Best bet, O Kostas, near Syntagma Square. Family run, tiny, cheap, and legendary. They close when the meat runs out. But the sweetest part of Athens isn't meat at all. Save room for galactobureko, a custard-filled pastry soaked in syrup. Sticky, heavy, unforgettable. Pair dessert with a glass of ouzo, a Nice spirit, usually with mezz. Or mastica, sweet liqueur from Chios, served after meals. Each has its ritual, each has its fans. And coffee? Athens is obsessed. Try a Freddo espresso, ice-shaken espresso topped with silky crema. Warning, 2 of these and you'll suddenly be quoting Plato. But the thing that makes Athens stick isn't food or drink at all. Here's the twist I promised. Athens' real magic isn't marble temples or street food, it's philoxenia, friend to a stranger. You'll feel it when a taxi driver gifts you figs from his garden, or when a market vendor insists you taste olives for free. Athens is messy, noisy, imperfect, but it's alive. And if you open up to it, it gives back more than you expect. Think you've seen it all? Athens still has more surprises up its sleeve. Mount Lycabettus. Hike or take the funicular up for the best sunset in the city. When the Acropolis looks tiny below you and the Aegean glows in the distance, you'll understand why Athenians swear by this spot. Panathenaic Stadium, the world's only all-marble stadium. Built in ancient times, restored for the first modern Olympics in 1896. Step inside, and you can literally run the same track Olympians did a century ago. Cine Paris in Plaka, an open-air rooftop cinema where you watch movies under the stars with the Acropolis glowing in the background. Popcorn plus Parthenon equals unforgettable. National Garden. When the city chaos fries your brain, duck into this oasis near Syntagma. Shady paths, turtle-filled ponds, and palm trees that make you forget you're in downtown Athens. These aren't just extras, they're the scenes that make your Athens trip feel complete. And that's Athens. Chaotic, delicious, ancient, alive. Never just a stopover. But if you think Athens is wild, wait until you see the islands. Watch the Big Greek Islands Guide. Summer 2025. Next, hidden coves, party beaches, local secrets. It'll change how you plan your trip. Link below.